Alright guys, good morning guys. Happy Sunday today guys. Makuha natin guys, makuha natin ito ngayon guys ang ano kasi una natin ano guys, tanggal agad guys yung linya natin guys. More enjoy and shout out to sa pamilya ng Paul Palacios guys. Si Tim guys. Alright, oh wow. Yeah, alright. Sit. Tim tayo guys. Mama na. Mama. Alright. Size yeah, shout out to Mr. Paul family. This is my catching today si Mama in the morning of Sunday. Alright, to my place again in Silang Kanua. I don't have car. That is the right side. People is swimming with the kids today because today is Sunday. And happy Sunday po my darling in Sacramento, California. Woohoo! This is it. Start to catch with Papa Jerry. Alright guys, alright Mama, good morning too. Happy Sunday Mama. And shout out sa lahat sa mga vloggers sa Pilipinas, sa buong mundo. This is Papa Jer again, back to the fishing in the Silang Kanua place. Alright, continue na tayo guys. Enjoy them Ma. Kasi Papa Jer always enjoy fishing in Saipan. Woohoo, I love you guys. Continue na guys. Alright guys, another one guys. Sana makuha natin guys to guys. Uy, malakas-lakas guys eh. Yun, lakas guys oh. Ayun, maputi. Malakapas yata to guys. Sige lang. Enjoy lang. Oh, maputi. Oh, uy, come on. Yun ang problema dito guys. Pag malakapas guys. Ayan na guys. Andyan na guys. Nag-umpisa na. Nag-umpisa na guys. Kaya enjoy Papa Joy. Let's go na. Kaya this is again guys, continue natin guys. Dalawa na tayo guys. Kasi doon sa another side, the right side, cannot fishing there guys because we have already swimmer. But on my left side, nobody swimming guys. Kaya enjoy lang tayo. Mr. B, I love you bro. Shout out to my darling in Sacramento, California with Mommy Linda. Alright, let's go. Guys may nang guys, may catching ulit 2 pieces I think. Ito tayo guys, may huli na din tayo. Yun ayun si malakapas pa rin guys. Mayroon din si Pops, nandito din. Ano si Pops nangihi. Kaya tayo naman dito lang. Ayun ayun, nakakuha siya guys Ayun. Tayo dito lang. Pasimple-simple lang tayo guys. Pasimple-simple tayo. Alright. Dre! Si Pap! Malakapas to. Wait guys another malakapas yata to guys. Ayun Ayun Ay, maputi. Yun yan lang, ganyan lang. Popo lang. Kasama ko yung fisherman si E-Boy. Si Manong. Minsan, kasama kami dalawa rito. Ayan guys, at least mayroon na. May dalawa na tayong maputi. Okay na yan guys. Happy Sunday ngayon. At least mayroon tayo. Hindi tayo na zero. Pauwi tayo mayroon may pang ulam. Alright. Guys, continuous lang tayo guys. Even low tide na guys. Maputi already eat guys. But almost last 12 o'clock already guys. Yeah. Yan na yan. Ito naman yung ano natin guys. Kahit paano, tayo na zero. Yung kasama ko kanina guys, umuwi na guys. Kasi tayo naman, paiwan tayo. Ayun na. tuloy na sana yun guys. Kahit maka 15 piraso tayo, okay na yan. Right? Kasi doon sa kabila, Pantalan, may mga swimmer doon. Pero gutom na din ako guys kasi late na tayo pumunta dito. Okay lang. Yes, mayroon tayong huli. Alright, let's go lang. Mag-try tayo dito guys. This is it. Happy Sunday guys. Itong huli natin ngayon guys. This Sunday ngayon guys. At least yan na ngayon nahuli natin. 6, 4 na maputi. Tsaka may iitayong nahuli din. Yan ang sa Chalangkano Pinsan guys. Shout out sa inyo lahat dyan. Sa mga vlogger. Ang iba, hindi ko lang po alam yung ano. Naalala ko tuloy si ano pala. Si 670. Si Abidjor. Yung Guam. Kaya this is it. Ang huli natin ngayon. Itong linggo na ito guys. Kaya shout out sa pamilya Paula Palacios. Nasa Friday ay ganito obyan ba tayo doon ticket at video guys. Kaya dito tayo sa Chalangkano Sunday late na tayo dumating sa dagat. At least may pangulam tayo ganito natin. May still have little bit at least mayroon tayo guys na nahuli. May sinigang na tayo. Kahit yung pinapay natin luma na, pero mamayang hapon guys baka yung winner ang pangit. Subukan pa rin natin na mag-fishing ngayon guys. Kaya lang you have the time, you try fishing Chalangkano water still have a little bit at least you have for dinner tonight. Okay, thank you guys and God bless you. See you Sasi, see you si Masi, and I love you mama, and I love you guys, and I love you mama Intalang. Thank you guys. Enjoy lang dyan Mar. Sa Todd ka Umar and sa Mr. P na California guys. This time be ready to travel guys if your people is a green card. Right? Okay guys, continue saying enjoy fishing in the short life. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and please don't run away my ad. At least you know already my activities here inside my state. Every day you can fishing, every day you can fresh fish. Right? Thank you, God bless guys.